Okay, we did a thing today. I'm a little bit excited to try it because I've been wanting to try a spicy bowl, and I was looking around for someone and I found this lady on TikTok who was really sweet. Like I said, I'm gonna tag her name below. But yeah, I'm gonna try it how it is. I forgot exactly what all came in there. Let me see. Ooh, I see an egg shrimp. I'm pretty sure it's like egg shrimp, chicken. I see peppers at the bottom. This is how it look. I'm gonna try it like this, which is cold. Then I'm gonna heat it up. She's located in Lansing, so it was a way for me to go get this, but we got it, and now we're gonna try it. It smells very seafood boilish. Very, literally. Not too crazy of spicy, which is good because I don't like extra spicy food. It tastes like something, like almost like some type of dip. Yeah, that's what it's giving, dip. It's banana. Okay, so now I know it's banana pepper, shrimp, hot peppers, sausage, chicken, and an egg. Still pretty good. Like I said, I'm not a person that can handle a lot of spice, but I'm gonna push through. For that 20 piece, I'm gonna push through. This is a piece with the egg. Like I said, it's a chip in there somewhere. I'm killing myself to eat them. Literally.